Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer garlic rosemary New York strip steaks. Let's begin. We have here 2 New York strip steaks and they're just about 0.8 pounds. And let's prepare the seasoning. We'll need half tablespoon of garlic powder, half tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of crushed rosemary, and lastly 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Mix everything all together. Looking good. It's nicely mixed in. And now let's take the steaks out. Now we're going to season the steaks with the prepared seasoning. Flip it over and do the same thing. Make sure to get the sides. There we go. Next, we're going to spray some cooking oil on each side of the New York strip steak. Looking good. Turn it over and do the same thing. Looking good. This is what it looks like before we put it in, and now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to push the preheat button. And we're going to preheat it to 400 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's preheated to 400 degrees. Now let's put in the New York strip steaks. And now let's put it in. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 13 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 13 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Smells really good. Next, we're going to sprinkle some chopped up parsley on top. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer garlic rosemary New York strip steaks. Let's cut one open real quick. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.